friends, today we will make pastry out of cream biscuit. So first we have to take any cream biscuit and then open it like this and then take out the cream like this in a separate bowl. Take this. Take the cream out from the biscuit. Remove the cream from the biscuit. Take out the whole cream. And now we'll make the small pieces and put in a big bowl like this. Make the tiny pieces so that it will crunch easily. I have mixed it well and now it is ready as a batter. Now we will put half teaspoon of baking powder in the batter. Now we will mix again. I have turned on the gas and I have put this pan, and now we will take a pot. The bottom part is flat of the pot, and now we have greased it with the oil or ghee. Now we will put the atta. We have sprinkled the atta like this on the pot, and I have just shaped it so that the batter of biscuit does not stick to the pot. Now we will put this pot on the pan like this. Be safe. Now we will take the batter and take it and put it. Now we will cover the pan with this lid. Now leave this pan like this for 6 to 7 minutes. We have to put the gas on low medium flame like this. Meanwhile, we will make the icing on the cake. So for that, we will put some milk in the cream of the biscuit we have removed and make the icing. Now it is ready and we have to open the lid. So take a cloth because it is very hot, or take your elder's help. We open the lid like this and yummy! It's ready. And take it down here. Yummy! It's looking nice. It's ready. Keep it to cool down, and after that we will take it out. Now I have applied the icing paste like this. Okay. And our pastry is ready. Yummy! Now I will keep this pastry for a while in the fridge. I think now our pastry is ready. Oh, tasty! Very cool. Now I will cut the pastry. Let me eat this. See you soon. Bye bye.